Jeff and Joanna are dreaming about a kitchen renovation. Their current space is dark, lacks storage, and is in need of a major refresh. To get started, the pair are using mykaboodle to help guide their project and complete their dream kitchen renovation. There are some key elements that they want: plenty of storage, a kitchen island bench for entertaining, but ultimately they want to create a space they enjoy spending time in. To help determine the couple's overall style, they completed the mykaboodle style quiz. This provided them with a style persona as well as a personalised recommendation for cabinetry colours and inspiration. After exploring our inspiration gallery, the couple used the store locator in mykaboodle and headed to their local Bunnings. They checked out Kaboodle's in-store kitchen displays and picked up some samples as well. Joanna organised all their inspiration within mykaboodle and shared it with Jeff so that they could easily reference it throughout the project. Now that Jeff and Joanna have a clear vision and lots of inspiration for their dream kitchen, they can move on to the design it stage and bring their mood boards to life.